Hazrat Abu Salama narrates that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, while the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was distributing wealth, Abdullah bin Dhul Huwaisira Tamimi came and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do justice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, woe to you, who will act equitably if I don't. Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu submitted, permit me to decapitate him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, leave him. He has many companions. Each one of you will devalue his prayers as compared to their prayers, and his fasting as compared to their fasting. They will exit the religion as an arrow goes through the game. If you see its wings, nothing is found. Then if you look at its head, nothing is found. Then if you direct your eyes on its sinews, nothing is found. Thereafter, if you cast your gaze on its rod, nothing is found, though it has passed through excrement and blood. Their identification mark is that the arm or the breast of a man amongst them will be like a woman's breast or like a swaying lump of flesh. They will emerge when there will occur dissension among the people. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu says, I testify that I have heard it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I as well testify that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu killed them while I was accompanying him, and that man was brought having the identification mark the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had already described. The reporter states that the words, and of them someone is he who blames you with regard to the distribution of charities, Surah At-Tawbah verse 58, was revealed in this connection. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6933.